Ever wonder how AI can craft videos where every character moves with precision? Like a cat leaping beside a man, a balloon drifting in the wind, or a classroom scene where a doll and a person slowly drift toward the center. That's the magic of Tora2, a groundbreaking AI model that's rewriting the rules of video generation. Let's break it down. Traditional AI video systems face two major hurdles: ensuring each character maintains a distinct identity while moving naturally, and keeping all elements synchronized. Think of it like directing a multi-character film. Each actor needs a unique personality, but they must also follow the script. Tora2 solves this by giving creators control over both appearance and motion for multiple entities simultaneously. Here's how it works. Tora2 uses a diffusion transformer, a type of AI adept at generating detailed images and videos. But what sets Tora2 apart? Personalization. Imagine providing the AI with a photo of a person and a motion description. Tora2 doesn't just replicate the image. It learns the unique details, like facial features or clothing, and preserves them throughout the video. The key innovation: a tool called the decoupled personalization extractor. This system captures both high-frequency details, textures, facial expressions, and low-frequency information, overall shape, color from reference images. It's like giving the AI a detailed sketch and a color palette. Then Tora2 employs a gated self-attention mechanism to blend this data with motion paths and text prompts. Think of it as teaching the AI to read a script, follow choreography, and retain each character's essence. But here's the breakthrough: Tora2 handles multiple entities at once. Whether it's a duck swimming, a cup moving on an ocean floor, or a doll and a person in a classroom, the model ensures perfect synchronization. Previous methods struggled with multi-character scenes, either focusing on one subject or losing track of details. Tora2 changes that. The results: Tora2 outperforms existing tools in motion accuracy and identity preservation. It's like having a director who not only follows the script, but ensures every actor's quirks shine through. With a dataset of 1.1 million video clips, the model has mastered complex scenes. Now let's shift gears. Ever wonder how AI creates massive images or long videos from just a few words? It's like magic, but there's a catch. When generating extended content, details often clash. A character's hair might flip direction, or a building could warp mid-shot. That's the problem StoryDiffusion solves. At the heart of modern AI is self-attention, a mechanism that lets models focus on key elements. But traditional self-attention falters with large or long scenes, losing the bigger picture. StoryDiffusion fixes this with a smarter self-attention system that stays consistent across long ranges. Imagine a director remembering every detail from the first frame to the last, ensuring the story flows seamlessly. Their method does exactly that by locking in key relationships between elements, even as scenes expand. How'd they do it? They tweaked the math behind self-attention to prioritize stability. Instead of letting the model randomly zoom in on parts of the scene, they anchored it to a consistent framework. This prevents object shapes, colors, and movements from spiraling into chaos. The result: videos that don't glitch and images that feel cohesive, even at massive scales. The tests: wild. StoryDiffusion produced videos with 30% fewer inconsistencies, and images rated 20% more realistic by humans. It's not just flashy tech, it's about making AI-generated content feel authentic. So what does this mean for creators? Tora2 and StoryDiffusion are game changers. From animated stories to virtual simulations, these tools empower you to bring multi-character visions to life with precision. And as AI continues to evolve, the line between human creativity and machine-generated art will blur even further. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into these ideas, hit subscribe and let me know what you'd like to explore next. Stay curious, because the future of AI is just getting started.